What's going on, everybody? We are going fishing today. We're going to hit a couple creeks down in Sherwood, Arkansas that I saw, and they had some small brim in there. I mean, real small brim. And hopefully in some areas, some little bitty bass, but we'll check it out today. Taking 2 poles with me. I'll show them to you later when we get there and what I'm using. I'm going to be using a rooster tail, bright colored, because the water's kind of murky, and in some areas it's really clear too. The other one's going to be a crankbait, and it's going to be a crawfish imitation. That one might be a little too big for the area I'm in, but I'll check it out when I get there. Other than that, the next time I see you guys again, we're going to be at the creek. Let's go. All right, everybody, so we're here. I'm going to go ahead and show you the setup we're going to be using. Right here's the rooster tail. I'm using bright colors because the water is very clear, so I'm going to try to give the fish some colors that they can easily see and easily gain their attention. This also has a spin on it, so we should be able to attract some decent sized brim if it's in there. The water does get deeper the farther we go down, and it actually opens to a bigger body of water, so I plan on actually walking that way and excuse me, and seeing what we can get. The other one I'm taking is, I'm hoping it's not too big for this area, just seeing the size of the fish that are already in here. And it's this little mini crankbait. This is a crawfish colors, and like I said, still sticking to the colors that are easily seen. If the water gets a little bit darker, this will be a perfect one to use. So anyways, without further ado, let's go. Basically what I'm doing is I'm throwing it under the bridge into the deeper bodies of water and letting it sink for a couple seconds to get a little bit deeper to try to find any bedding fish on the bottom. Because it actually gets a lot deeper towards that bridge. So I'm kind of hoping that there's more fish down deep, so I'm letting it sink down for a little bit. As soon as it hits the water, let it sink, then start reeling it. They're so little. Oh, I got stuck on a rock. I see a bunch of them. I probably should have went and bought some crickets, honestly. I actually thought about doing that. I thought about running over there to Sports, or Academy Sports, and picking up some crickets, but oh. There's some little bitty micro fish, man. I want to catch one though. Because some of them, they're chasing the heck out of it. I'm pretty sure we'll catch one. I'm pretty sure. I got hung up on a rock. There's a lot of little bitty micro fish. And some of like the really, really tiny ones are the ones that are chasing down my lures. So we're actually gonna go ahead and head the other direction. Hasn't rained in a few days and the water was actually starting to get thinner and thinner, going the way that I wanted to go. So we're actually gonna go down to this other end. I haven't been over here, so we're gonna see if the water gets any deeper. And if it does, we're gonna try to fish. If not, I think I see some pretty cool rock formations I might get some good videos of. Anyways, let's go. We're gonna cast this rooster tail against this little bitty waterfall. Got a small bite of a small little sunfish. I tell you, these little sunfish over here are aggressive. I mean, they're taking on a rooster tail half their size. I see a golf ball. Do I get style points if I catch a golf ball? Let me know in the comments if I get style points if I can catch that golf ball. That's too cool. Somebody had the time, actually people had the time to come out here and set up these rocks in a pretty cool formation. And I went ahead and added one too. Here's the picture. All right, so I'm gonna talk to you guys as I'm walking back to the vehicle, I guess. I'm not really gonna say it was a bust over here. I should have brought smaller bait. I should have actually brought live bait. I thought about stopping and getting some crickets, and I should have. I really should have. If I would have brought that, we would have caught so many sunfish today. But I brought stuff that was just a little too big. Surprisingly, these little bitty guys are going after this crankbait, and it's almost bigger than them. By the way, smile. Let's go ahead and go back to the vehicle and head to one more spot. Other than that, I think it's been a pretty good day. I've never come down here before, so I didn't know what to expect. And saw some really cool stuff, like some really cool stuff. And we still got one more place to go. Anyways, see you at the next spot. We're gonna test our luck now because a little thunderstorm has decided to come moving through. So we're gonna throw this little one out there, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start slow pulling it in. We're just gonna be real slow with it. It stays on top of the water, imitating an actual cricket coming on the top. So we're gonna use it and see if we can get us a couple brim. You just want to be real slow with it. Keep it up on top of that water. Oh, little brim came after it. I like to kind of pull it a little bit, really show some panic on top of the water with that, make a lot of ruckus, and those fish will look up, they'll see it. I'm wondering how close this little storm is to us, and if it's gonna just pass by here in a little bit, or if we're gonna have to tuck tail today and head on home. Thing is these fish are interested in it. It's just the wrong ones are. Fish in here. I see where somebody has caught a catfish. I'm gonna walk this across the top of the water a little bit. Got ourselves a brim. Look at there. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Look at him. That is gorgeous. Look at the colors. That's a big one. Went after that cricket on the top of that water, guys. I should have been using that earlier, but yeah, look at that. That's a decent little fish. Let's get him back down there in that water. All right. Oh, look at there. Already. Look at him. He really went after that. That's a little bitty guy. Got him right in the mouth. Somebody needs to tell these fish that, you know, you will choke on some food now. That's just a little too big for you, buddy. I don't want to get you twice. I got you once. I don't need to get you again. You know, this little thing is not meant for little ones like you. But you go tell people to grow up and come on back and see me. I'll catch them too. All right. All right, guys, so I hope you had a good time with me. We saw some really cool stuff. Caught what, two fish, yeah. I had a good time. You know, I kind of wish I would have had some live crickets. I think I've said that at least 100 times probably until I popped out that little bitty cricket lure and actually started catching some fish. You know, we're learning together. It's okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, close this out, go home, take me a shower, eat me some dinner, get this video uploaded for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Can't wait to do it again. Like I said, if you have any recommendations, places you want me to go, put them down in the comments section, okay? I'd love for you to see them. I'd love to go to it, take your advice, and head on out. We'll do some fishing. And then if anybody wants to go with me, I know a lot of people are telling me when they see me, you know, hey, I'd love to go with you, or giving me some pointers on how to make these videos better. I appreciate it. You know, let me know if you want to go fishing with me. Let's go. You know, I'll make time and we'll head out and we'll go do some fishing. So anyways, until next time, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thanks.